Let's move to our LED controller and decoder parts. On the top side, you can see the classic plastic shelling controller, and this way our IP67 waterproof DMS decoder, and we also have a series for the high-end markets from 3, 4, 5, 12, 60, 24 channel, support up to max 32 channel. We also have a custom current one. This year we have updated our classic 4 channel decoders to the 12 to 84 volt, as many client requires for the market demand. And this board you can see DMS master controllers, master control panels, and DMS SPI signal transfer type controller, also some ArtNet to SPI control system, ArtNet DMS system, and this DMS RDM amplifier also new release from 4 to 60 channels for amplifying the weak DMS RDM signal and relay functions. This way you can see the controller, which belongs to our classic L-bus system. By ending a gateway, you can realize the app control, and you can see some PWM panels, 0 to 10 volt, face cup DMS, and we also have Bali dimmer. There are some remote panels, wireless receiver, and Bali power supply, Bali switch on it. This way you can see our upgrade mini remote series controller, and in black and white version, and it also supports single and multiple zones control paired with the wireless controllers, and up to 5 channels now. And this side you can see our new release Bluetooth system. No need to end in the gateway, you can achieve the app control directly. These 4 are the US based exclusive for the US market, black version for high-end appearance. Also, we have a DMS and Bluetooth 2-in-1 controllers to pair with it, and this 4 also UL-less. So that's it. Thank you.